Hi, I'm Don Keller, owner of Catalpha Packaging. We help companies and entrepreneurs like you create and improve their packaging for over 30 years. Our proven process has helped many companies create branded packaging and increase their sales. We can take your packaging from nothing to a professional product, from lackluster to shelf buster, from forgettable to unbelievable. Our package designs are currently in these national chains, and yours can be there too. Call us now and we can design packaging that will get you noticed by the store buyer and your customer. Don't take my word for it. Listen to what my customers have to say.
Once I answered the questions and, filled out the questionnaire, they sent me a first draft of the packaging, and I was literally blown away. I couldn't believe how spot on the design was and just how perfect it came out.
Since working with Don and his team, they came up with fantastic new packaging for us for our entire line, featuring the product cues, the pictures of the product. It's really helped us to sell a lot more candy.
What would it mean to your business if you could sell 10% more products? How about 50% or 100%? We've done that, and we can do it for you, from concept to design to printing. Get ready to click and be taken to our form where you can get a free personal estimate for your product. Or just give me a call. It's that easy to get started. Take the first step to better packaging now. Invest in your product's success. Click or call now to learn more.